Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this bread mix. It is a gluten-free, whole grain bread mix, non-dairy plus multi-purpose mix with a yeast packet included by Pamela's. So Pamela's bread mix. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to show you from start to finish and I'm going to do a taste test for you. Okay, just got done cleaning the mixer. I do not have the bowl for this. My mom gave it to me. So let me make the bread first. That's going to take a while. Now this says that I don't have to have a bread hook, which is really good. So, okay, this is Sunbeam Mix Master. I don't use mixers because I don't bake that much. If I do, then I just use a bowl and a whisk or a fork. I don't actually know if I can use any old bowl with this. I have this Corel Coordinates bowl. I have no idea if this is going to work with it. Apparently this spins, or maybe I spin it. I don't know. I'm gonna plug it in and see how it works. I don't have a bread hook, but it said not to use a bread hook. It said to use a regular mixer. So we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I have to let it sit and rise for a while before I bake it. All I need is the mix, oil, and eggs. Let's go. Look at these dirty eggs. Dirty, dirty eggs. Okay. Ooh. It said to fill to 2 cups with the rest of the warm water. Oh no, I was wondering where the packet of yeast was. I didn't see it in there. There it is. Yummy. Okay. Yuck. All right, I'm gonna mix this and let it sit. Never used this in my life. Never, never, never. Okay, don't want to do that. I think you need the bowl for this. We're gonna see. This doesn't look right to me. Okay. Okay. Think we're good? Whoops. It's mixing up quite well. It's a little dangerous. Don't put your hands near it. All right. It kind of went all the way up in the beaters. Okay. Interesting, very interesting. It's got this little spinner disc on it. Okay. I'm gonna let it go for 30 more seconds. It's at an 8x4 pan. This looks like it's about 6x6. We'll be having some square bread today, I think. So I have mixed up the bread. I did taste it. It tastes pretty good. When I smelled the contents of the dry powder, I was like, ew, this smells bad. It smells like gluten-free bread. But I put the yeast in, and it actually does taste good. It tastes like a bread. Very slightly grainy. Very elasticy as well, but very wet. And there's no powder to like put on it. Like you don't put bread flour around it to make a dough ball. So it's going to sit here for 60 to 90 minutes, however long it takes to rise. It says if it doesn't rise, it will rise in the oven. That's fine with me. I'm letting it rest right now. Then I'm going to put it in my square pan and cook it. And we will see how it turns out. I'm going to see how it tastes today. It is risen! Time to put it in the pan and cook it. Ooh. It's nice and aerated. Lots of air bubbles in there. Now usually this comes out in one lump, right? For bread. This is gluten-free, so. And then usually you let it rise twice. I'm not doing that because it didn't say to. It said it would rise during baking, so. It's very elasticy, so that's good. That's a good sign in bread. Elasticy. Uh-oh, watch it.
Sorry. I wanted to talk to the camera.
Go ahead.
I thought of the trampoline at where we hut.
They know every day, they already know, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I need to tell the camera every day.
Okay.
Like,
So they never forget.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I stir it?
Can you what?
I want to stir it.
Oh, no, we don't stir this. It's ready for baking, honey. We're gonna bake it.
Did you stir it already?
Yeah, in a mixer I mixed it.
I really wanted to mix it with you. Can I lick that for you?
Oh, you don't want to lick this.
Why
This
not?
is cake, not cookies.
Well, I really want to taste it.
I'll let you taste it.
Okay.
Has raw egg in it. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
There you go. How's it taste?
Mmm.
Yeah, right? All that yeast. That yeast is good stuff.
See? I know I was like with good rotten leg.
A good rotten leg.
Egg.
Oh, no, that's not rotten. Okay, move your arm. Gonna put it in the oven now. That's what it looks like. Woohoo! Here we go. It's going in the oven.
Mmm.
Here it is right out of the oven. It says to wait a minute and then take it out and let it rest. So I'm going to do that. Okay. Let's see. It's been sitting just, whoo, that's still hot on the bottom. Just a few minutes. That came right off. Really nice. All right, that looks super good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Let me cut it into bread size. Show the inside of it. Oh my, that's good looking.
Yeah.
Okay, now cut slices. All right, I got this handy, it's an all-purpose slicer. It's called the Pecan Gravy Train Pecan Amazing Knife, and it's an antique most likely. It's got cutters for bread, cutters for meat, and a meat stabber to serve. So this is some fine, soft bread right here. That looks good. I'm gonna put some butter on it. Okay, I have some butter here. It has been softened because I'm using it for another recipe that I'm fixing to make. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on this bread and taste it. Let me taste it without it first. It tastes really good, like a really good gluten-free bread. This is not a paleo bread or a diet bread or a keto diet bread. I better not put too much butter on this. I'm just gonna wipe it on because I have found that too much butter on gluten-free bread is not tasty. That's good. That's really good. I would definitely recommend this. I'll have to look up the price of it. So far, so good. The crust is really good. If I could do it over again, I would probably try to find the right size pan and maybe see if I could make it rise even more to have a very big slice. But I think when you do that, you risk it falling in half, falling apart in half and not doing very good. I think this size of a slice is actually pretty perfect for this kind of bread. It does look really good. I do think it's worth $2. The kids are going to really enjoy it, and my husband, he likes stuff like this. If you wanted to improve the top of it or even the bottom of it, you could put cornbread flour, like cornmeal, on the bottom, or seeds. Sunflower seeds are really good. You could put it on the bottom or the top, sprinkle it on through the top. You know, whole rolled oats on the top too. That would be really nice, and it's still gluten-free. You have to make sure that it is grown and processed in a field that is not contaminated with anything gluten. But oats is naturally gluten-free if you're going to use something like that. This, A+, in my opinion. Very good. I have had much worse bread, so this is definitely a pass. Good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.